Welcome to the installation guide for SSRS Reports Migration Wizard. Once your order is successfully placed, you'll receive an email from AzureOps containing a direct download link. Simply click on the download link to begin downloading the installer package. Alternatively, you can download the product directly from your AzureOps account. Once the download is complete, you'll receive a compressed zip file. Unzip the file to extract its contents to your preferred location. After extraction, you'll see the installer executable inside the folder. Double-click the installer to launch the setup. You can find the license key in the same order confirmation email you received after purchase. Paste the license key into the activation field and click on Activate License. Once validated, the product is successfully activated and ready for installation. Next, select the platform where you'd like to install SSRS Reports Migration Wizard. The tool can be installed as an extension for Visual Studio, SQL Server Management Studio, or browse the folder where you want to install it as a standalone application. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that SSRS Reports Migration Wizard has been successfully installed. You can now launch SSRS Reports Migration Wizard directly from the installation target path. Great! The wizard is now ready to help you migrate your SSRS reports efficiently and securely. To learn more, please check out the documentation link in the description. Thank you for watching.